Come a little tighter, cameraman. See, it's important when you're about to listen to something profound that you focus, that you find yourself enthralled by the person speaking and telling you the story that you can't peel your ears away from. 10 pounds of leather and gold. When you add that to 240 of twisted steel and sex appeal, what do you get? You people can't add. You have no idea. The idiots in Oceanside, California on December the 4th surely can count to 3. Because they did when Ricky Mandel lost the SoCal Pro Championship to Hector Canales, didn't they? And Ricky, now you come a-calling. I was in the building. I saw the look in your eyes when Hector Canales pinned you and took that championship away from you. The one that you didn't have the balls to hold on to. And I could say balls. You want to know why? Because I'm heavyweight champion of the world. So now you've got an opportunity. Jeff Dino, the promoter of SoCal Pro Wrestling, is going to put you in the ring with me. Do you remember the last time, Ricky Mandel, you and I did battle? Do you? I do. You were a young Ricky Mandel, coming up in the business. Cutting your teeth, some would say. And that night, some also would say you became a star. Now, whose expense did that come at, Ricky Mandel? Did you earn something that night? You may have earned this small modicum of success and this small modicum of my respect. On December 4th, you got another opportunity to earn a whole lot more. Because if you're going to climb the ladder and become a so-called champion, you're going to step in the ring with the best in the world. And you've got one chance. The pitch is coming. It's right down the middle. 90 miles an hour, belt high. You swing as hard as you can. Every once in a while, a 240 hitter hits a home run. It's the World Series, Ricky Mandel. And I'm the San Francisco Giants. Bring it December 4th, Oceanside. And look at my sweet hat.